Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's kick off with some football. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz are locked at 0-0 with Cuba at halftime in their opening match of Group B in the League A of the CONCACAF Nations League at the National Stadium. Our reporter Jerome Foster is at the stadium and now joins us for an update. Jerome.
Thank you, Jordan, and you joined me. Thank you, Jordan. You joined me just in time where the Reggae Boyz have been given a massive lifeline because the Cubans, they will be playing the remainder of this encounter with at least 10 players. Junior Perez, he was sent off in the 43rd minute for committing a foul on Michael Antonio, where he denied a clear goal-scoring opportunity right on the top of the D with Antonio just about going through to slam in front of goal. But it has been an indifferent performance from the Reggae Boyz. As you said, it's 0-0 here. They have created several opportunities. Antonio, he hit the post in the 18th minute. Jamal Lowe broke the line, got through on goal, but just didn't get a shot off, and that was just on the half-an-hour mark. There have been good interchange moments within the encounter. Demari Gray, Casey Palmer, they have enjoyed a lot of possession, the Jamaicans, but they have struggled to break down the system of the Cubans, which has been employed, a 5-4-1, 5 defenders, 4 midfielders across, but the Jamaicans just can't find that cutting edge to really create any damage so far. But with 10 men to be played against in the second half, you'll be hoping that they can find something different. The Jamaicans started with Andre Blake in goal for the first time since March. Amari Bell made a return to the team for the first time since September last year. And Bell has Lembi Kisa, Ethan Pinnock and Damian Lowe in defense. While in midfield, you have Joel Latimer there, Casey Palmer and Bobby Reed, while the attackers, Demari Gray, Michael Antonio and Jamal Lowe. You probably expect some substitutions later on. Steve McLaren has summoned a couple of them during the first half to get warm. But from the National Stadium here, it's 0-0 between the Reggae Boyz and Cuba in this first Group B League A CONCACAF Nations League contest at the National Stadium. Jordan?